Day or night, different video, man. Right now I'm about to be on the way to West Covina, man. It's supposed to be like a big car meet out there in memory of Paul Walker. So yeah, so we're gonna go out and check it out. I'm with the homies right now, with the homie Josh, with the homie Wally. So yeah, man, we about to go check this out. It's supposed to be like super big. So like I said, man, we're gonna check it out. We almost there. We got like 10 minutes until we get there. So yeah, man, I'll catch you when we get there. Like I said, got like 10 minutes to get there, so I'll see you on a bit. Look like we chilling though. We chilling. Got them back here, so they keeping up. They got quick bikes, so yeah, man. But it's a beautiful night tonight, and this well, I'm low-key ready for this weather. But man, I it would be better if there wasn't all these fires and stuff burning, man. These fires is what's making it all crazy, making it bad. Like, man, all because somebody wanted to have a gender reveal party. A gender reveal. They want to have a gender reveal party and light some type of explosive. And I'm just like, bro, you done set the whole mountain on fire. It's crazy, but you know, I see this is what Wally was talking about, because yeah, this shit up. But so man, I low-key can't wait for the summertime to be over with. I think I gotta get over. Yeah, gotta get over. But anyway, oh man, but yeah, it's a beautiful night tonight. Not too hot, not too cold. But man, if y'all know Southern California, bro, them 100 plus degree weather we was having, man, was not it. I think I rode it out like a few times and I almost died. Well, it was crazy. But anyway, so enough of that. You already know we're about to get there. We got like 5 minutes till we get there, so I'll catch y'all once we get there. All right. So we ain't even pulled up yet, and they got police here already. Oh dang, bro. We ain't even, yeah. We ain't even, huh? I guess it's in here. But them cars, he got one put over right there. Dang, they ain't playing already. This meet just started too, and they already got the police circling, so it look like everybody dipping out. That's crazy. They got the helicopter circling already. The meet literally just started at like 9 o'clock. Hey, we got some bikes though. Alright, we gonna low-key chill though, cause your boy ain't trying to get pulled over. Bro, this meet is big. Look at all these people. It's crazy. They already got the helicopter over here already. Dang, it's funny though. It don't seem like nobody's doing nothing crazy though. So, but I don't know, man. But dang, oh, they must be doing something over there. Oh yeah, they acting a fool. So they over here. It sounds like somebody two-stepping. Dang, this meat is crazy. Dang. God. Well, shit, let's get off this sidewalk for the police. Give us a reason. Let's just pull right here. Right here. Well, I'm saying, let's get off of this sidewalk so the police don't have a reason to fuck with us. Yeah. That's crazy though. This meet just, it seemed like it just started too.
Let's go ahead and go back. Let's get on the back. On the back? Yeah.
For sure. For sure. There you go. Everybody already dipping out. Hey, see, this one we need our cop motorcycle so we can pull up like this. I'm trying to pull up on my CHP bike like, what's up? Like, you right there, stop it. For facts. Dang, I haven't been to a meet like this in years. That's for real. We out here. Helicopters already out. We ain't even been here a good 5 minutes, man. Bro, that's crazy. Oh man, it's lit up too. I ain't been to a meet like this in a minute, but it seemed like everybody's just chilling though, so I don't see what the problem is. Be like, man, hey, I low-key thought on the freeway, I saw that CHP, and Wally was about to pat. I'm like, oh, chill out. That cop. And then he low-key pulled behind us. I was like, oh, shit.
I was hoping he would stop me.
Low-key, though. I mean, we wasn't doing nothing. We was chilling. And we out here. Went out to West Coast. Police already out. We literally just got here. I'm also on that video right now, baby, so we shooting that video as we speak.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Why don't they put a fucking in a...
Huh?
I wanna go down more?
It's up to you.
There's where all those people are at. That's where the fucking cows are at.
Yeah.
Oh, we always take that shit off, walk around?
That's up to you.
I'm taking my helmet off real quick. I get here 6:06.
That's why you need that Cardo, bro.
Fuck that Cardo.
Bro, it's lit out here already. I ain't been to a meet like this in a minute.
Hey, there's some mics right there.
Yeah. But see, this is what kills meets.
We on live with it.
We on live.
We on live with it, boy.
My boy Josh, my boy Wally. We on the GoPro. But see, this is what kills meets, and this is why I stopped going to meets, because people just don't know how to act. You know what I mean? Like back then, a meet was strictly like you park, chill, and all that shit that people, the burnouts and stuff, man. You do that away from the meet. Don't burn the meet. But it's, and what's funny is that it strictly said on the flyer, no burnouts and no revving. And what are people doing? That's why these meets get killed, man. You see what I mean? See what I mean? That's why they get killed.
Not even. It's a good ass bike, and he knows how to ride. I mean, he knows how to burn out. I don't know about how good he rides.
Helicopter's already out. We didn't even get here a good 5 minutes.
Really, everybody just chilling, man. Seemed like the helicopter gone, but the police had people pulled over when we first had pulled up. Not having it, like at all. It's crazy. And like I said, y'all, that's the reason why I stopped going to meets, man. If people start doing stupid shit like this, bro. Like, what happened? What happened to back in the day when you just be able to park and chill, and you know, pop your hood and everybody just chilling, man. But yeah, once you start doing stupid shit like this, man, not only is it stupid, but you know, you putting people at risk, bro. Lose control, hit somebody, like, for what? For what? You know what I mean? It's just, it's stupid to me, bro. But it looked like it's pretty much dead. They done burnt it out. Yeah. See what I mean? And the police right there. Get his ass. Yeah, she probably shitting bricks. It's crazy.
What you guys want to do, bro?
It's up to you, man, to be honest with you.
Huh? What do you guys want to do? We ain't got a big group like you said. Right now, bro. You can't really. Yeah.
We ready? Here. Alright, yo, this meet is a dud. So we about to bounce up out of here. Oh. But yeah, we out of here. But that's crazy though, man. Alright, bro. But anyway, we're about to hit this freeway. Here, let's get it. Like I said earlier, man, that's the reason why I don't go to meets and shit no more. Cause people, man, people just start acting goofy. You know what I mean? And like doing donuts and shit, that's just old, man. I never really liked that. The only time I like that is if I'm watching it on YouTube and TV, but that's just me. Anytime I go to a meet, I'm usually at the ones that are either like super early in the morning to where people that are doing that aren't out, or at a meet that people are enforcing that. Cause man, like my thing is like it's so easy for somebody to get hurt by just doing stupid shit, and not only doing stupid shit, up your car. Like, you paying all that money for a car, for a bike, to do stupid stuff like that. Like, my thing is, you may think it's cool, but my point of view on it who's gonna pay for your motor when it blow out? Who's gonna pay for your tires when they blow out? Like, not the people that's watching. All that's gonna benefit them is just to get a laugh, to make you famous by posting you do stupid shit. Like I said, man, that's just me. That's why, no cap though, that'll probably be like literally the last meet that I go to. At least a big meet like that. Cause I don't know, man, that's just not my seed, man. It's just people doing these takeovers and shutting down intersections and stuff, doing donuts. Like, for what? If you want to do that, go to a track. You know, go somewhere where it's regulated. But that's just my thinking. I know the next person's thinking ain't gonna be the same about it, but that's just my thinking, man. But anyway, other than that, it was cool. I don't know if I'm gonna go to another one. I don't know. I probably won't. But anyway, I'm about to head home. So, like I said, man, as always, thank y'all for your support. Make sure you go like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And again, we out, baby. Let's get it. I'll catch y'all on the next one.